Do you like technology, cameras, photography, and filmmaking? What he actually meant to say was, you should consider subscribing to our channel. Hey, he's Sean. And he's Sid. And we run the channel Relax Tech. We make the usual tech videos like unboxings, reviews, rumor roundups, top fives, and all those other things that tech YouTubers mostly do in their videos. And of course, we have a new series where we explain about tech in a much more deeper context. And in the case you're bored by all that, we also now make different videos like camera gear videos, filmmaking and photography tips and tricks videos. So, add some extra categories to make it a bit more interesting for that fact. Now, in case you were wondering when we post our videos exactly, well, we ourselves don't know the answer to that. But you can expect the videos to be posted at around once a week, possibly. Wait, really? Sure, we can pull this one off, dude. No problem. Okay. Now, the most important thing here is why we make videos. I mean, what kind of question is that though? But the answer to it is we just like making videos, but most importantly, trying out new things to make our videos look better and get them out much more quicker, of course. But before we get to the end of this video, we have a few announcements, like our new website is finally out. So to check it out, go to rexmediagroups.com. That is rexmediagroups.com. Or go to the first link in the video description to go to our website. It is finally live. You can go ahead and know more about us and know about the other stuff we also do. Go check it out. And in other news, we actually hit our 100 subscriber milestone. But that was like 6 months ago, dude. Oh yeah, it was. But it is a big achievement for us anyway. Do consider subscribing though. And yeah, that's it. That wraps it up for this video. Click here to subscribe and click here to check out our previous videos. Go to the links in the video description to follow us on all the social media links linked there. And do support us on Patreon so we can make better content for you guys, of course. We would. So that wraps it up for this video. Hope to see you guys soon.